Next up, we will see a little bit more about the action description. The TQA is a double-acting link clamp. So that means you need, of course, one line in for locking and one line in for releasing. As you can see here, we also have a third line. This is an air line for the unclamp action confirmation. That means if the clamp is going into full release, it will send out via pneumatic a signal, which then can be detected to say your machine it is unclamped and the part is safe to be taken out of the fixture. So yeah, and that's about the action description, and thank you for your attention and see you next time.